Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Errors. Today in this video, I'm going to give you one fix at a time, but this is pretty crucial. On my computer right now, if you notice, the window is entirely, like whole screen is entirely covered with this terrifying message. Support before your Facebook account is permanently suspended. There's a phone number called Microsoft Windows Support toll-free, and it's a snapshot of Windows Defender, and everything is red marked. Virus and threat protection, which is red marked, account protection, everything is red marked. Even at the very top, Windows Defender security has disabled your computer. Please contact Microsoft Windows Support. The first thing I want you to understand as a user, this is nothing. This is just bogus. I have seen a lot of users who would be terrified by such situation, a message, a pop-up like that, but these are scam pop-ups. So you just need to chill out first of all. Before you even find a way to resolve this problem, don't believe in anything what you're reading on your screen, and never ever call any toll-free numbers given on such screens. If you're not computer savvy, go ahead and take the first step. Take a help from a family member or maybe a technician who has been serving you over the years, who you can believe in. Moreover, you can simply shut the computer down if it allows you, or you can press the power button on the CPU or laptop and shut it down. You can go ahead and do one more thing here. Press 3 buttons together on your keyboard. Control, Alt, Delete. Control, Alt, Delete. You're going to see a window like that. Click on Task Manager. In the Task Manager, you need to only focus on your web browser. So over here, my web browser is Google Chrome with 20 tabs on it. And I think so this is the culprit. Select your web browser, whether it's Google Chrome, it's a Microsoft Edge, it's a Firefox, Safari, then click on End Task. This is Windows 11, so we have this End Task button at the top right side. If you have Windows 10 on your computer, you're gonna see End Task at the right side bottom corner. So go ahead and click on it. That pop-up, it disappeared. So the primary resource of that pop-up was our web browser, which was Google Chrome in my case. And once you close that, go ahead and try to open Google Chrome again, and let's see how it reacts. When you will bring up your web browser again, you're going to see either the previous screen the way the pop-up was, or you're going to see something like that. Restore pages. Chrome did not shut down correctly. Don't make a mistake by clicking on Restore button. Click on this X button and simply ignore it. Further, you can go ahead and click on these tiny 3 dots, and this is what you're going to see even on Microsoft Edge as well. Look for History, or you can also press 2 buttons together, Control H, to access your browser history. From the browser history, look for Delete Browsing Data. And in the next window, you can go ahead and choose to delete the data at least 24 hours. Delete all the cookie or cache that is being stored on your computer. And this is it. This is how you can simply get rid of a horrible pop-up message on your Windows computer. You can also check out our other videos about how to take care of these pop-ups or notifications. I will go ahead and attach some links in the description. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one.